آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا صلى الله عليه وآله وصحبه وسلم وبعد. As you all know that we are carry on our Haft Aqsam types. Okay, so we have cleared Alhamdulillah Sahih, Sahiyas wa Misalas wa Muzaf, Lafif. By Lafif, Alhamdulillah we clear these four things. Okay, so inshallah now the number is coming of Naqis. Okay, so what is Naqis? How many types have the Naqis? And where can we use Naqis? We will learn in this video inshallah. Okay, so after Naqis we will learn about Mahmuz, and after it Ajwaf. Okay, so first of all we will here write the dictionary definition of Naqis. Okay, so basically if I write here, okay, the Naqis in English, we can tell its dictionary meaning. Okay, in English, the tail cut, okay, or the tail cutted one, okay, or poor. So in our daily life we have some things that are tail cutted. Okay, when we start work and then we leave them. Okay, so we can say that this is tail cutted, this is poor. Okay, one poor is for poor like gharib. Okay, we can translate in Urdu gharib. This is not gharib. Okay, it's mean naqis. Okay, like when a mason made a building completely, he made A to Z everything of furniture, construction, etc. But one mistake he do, that the base of the building is not good. Okay, so we can say that this building is tail cutted. Okay, so every person when he comes and he visit his building, so he says that this base is very poor. Okay, so the government papers have some issue of this building, they can say that this is naqis, dumbarida, poor. Okay, gharib, tail cut. Okay, so this is like a incomplete. Okay, so incomplete thing, it will be the naqis. As well, in Arabic grammar, there are also the things, the hurufs, the words, they are naqis. Okay, so first of all, we will write the definition of the naqis in English.
إذا ما قال لي ربي أما استحييت تعصيني وتخفي الذنب عن خلقي وبالعصيان تأتيني فكيف أجيب يا ويحي ومن ذا سوف
which has huruf illat at the last. Okay,
بالآمال من
حين
إلى حين وأنسى ما وراء الموت ماذا بعد.
Okay, Naqis, a word which has huruf illat at last or lam kalima. Okay, lam kalima means lam word. Okay, like here I am writing the example of lam kalima. I am writing one example. Khashiya. Okay, so khashiya bar wazni fa'ala. Fa'ala. Okay, fa'ala. So khashiya bar wazni fa'ala. So here this ya comes amongst this lam. Okay, so khashiya bar wazni fa'ala. So therefore we can call this khashiya that this will be the naqis. Okay, now the remaining one, the types of the naqis, we will learn inshallah in this video. I will tell you the types of the naqis. So you can inshallah you all cleared your concept about naqis. What is naqis? Okay, a word which has huruf illat amongst or at last or lam kalima of a word, so it's called the naqis. Okay, so like khashiya bar wazni fa'ala. So now comes to the types of naqis. What are the basic main types of naqis?
الوجوه أليس منهم من سيفديني سأسأل ما الذي
One is naqis wawi, one is naqis ya'i. Okay, naqis wawi and naqis ya'i. Naqis ya'i, as we gave the example of naqis ya'i, like khashiya. Okay, khashiya. Okay, because of this ya, we called it that this is khashiya is the naqis ya'i. And naqis wawi, for example, any example can you make from a naqis wawi, like hijawa. Okay, he hijawa. Okay, it will be the naqis wawi. Okay, so because of when there comes at last or lam kalima the huruf illat waw, it will be the naqis wawi. And when from huruf illat the harf illat ya, so it will be the naqis ya'i. So it's enough for today, inshallah. If you do not understand us, so kindly comment us. We will reply you as soon as possible. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum.